Hello everybody. Not sure if you can tell, but I've got a new headliner up. Cost me I think about 40 bucks. And by it cost me 40 bucks, I mean it cost me like $37.58 or $98 or something like that. But all I did was go to Joann Fabrics. I got 2.5 yards of their felt fabric. It's 2.5 yards by 72 inches. That cost me like 11 bucks. Then the actual glue for it, like it's a headliner glue, high temperature. It cost me like 20 bucks. And then I got little tacks. Well, I didn't use the tacks, so I returned them. But it was 50% off for the fabric. So instead of being, I think it was $7 a yard, it was only $6 or $3.50. So that saved me a shit ton of money. But I got that up. I got the roof bars on. I got the roof rack up. And now I'm actually heading out to Discount Tire to get a full set of tires put on. Because these ones have horrible wear pattern, because instead of replacing, instead of replacing 2 at a time or 3 at a time or all 4, the guy decided to replace 1 at a time. And they're all different makes, all different brands. They're all the same size, they're just all different tires. And me, I'm going in, I'm gonna get myself Goodyear Wrangler radials. That way I have winter, summer, all them tires. Get a all year round tire. It's the tires, they describe them as all season tires, but when you actually go on and look them up and everything, I mean they're knobby. They're knobby tires, but they're not obnoxious knobby tires where you're gonna hear it when you're driving down the road. And the ones on the truck right now are 225, 75, 15s. I'm getting 235s put on it. So I'm going up, I think, ½ inch or something like that. But that ½ inch difference is going to be big because these guys have already lost ½ inch of tread. I'll sit even. I'll ride a little bit smoother. And I got this thing turning out real good. I love it. Next thing that I got to work on is that back windshield wiper. It's not hooked up, so I can't do the windshield wiper in the back. Not that I really, need it. I mean, it's a huge window, but it's there. But, interesting thing. I picked up some window decals for the side windows. They are 20-inch by 20-inch Umbrella Corporation stickers with their little catchphrase on it. So it'll have the big Umbrella logo and then the catchphrase underneath. So I'm gonna put those on the side windows, and I might get one of their parking passes and stick it on the front window here. But it's coming together so good. I mean, couldn't ask for much more. Okay, so earlier went and got my new tires put on. these are my new Goodyear Wranglers, Wrangler Radial 2375 15s, real deep tread, fit great in the wheel wells here, and they actually come out to the side. Now, I said earlier that I got the roof rack and everything mounted up. That's the roof bars and then the Arcson roof rack. These Highland bars, they attach to the rain gutters. Yes, I know I got stuff up there. It's to waterproof a small crack. Wasn't gonna spend $175 to weld a crack right here. It's literally just a small crack, but these roof racks just mount to the gutters. See how it holds on there. Got that on there. I still have to put a bolt in here and a bolt in there to keep this bar centered, but it's up there. It holds for now. It says that it's got a 400-pound capacity, but I'm not going to be loading that down with no 400 pounds. These holes here, they seem to be just wide enough for my my high lift jack that I got, but I'm getting there truck wise. Got the roof rack, got my lights, got the pull bar. Definitely looks a lot better with the bigger wheels on it. It sits up, when I measured it, it sits up 3 inches higher, roughly, but that's because of all the extra tread that I got now. There's my taillight system, and I got the new ceiling up in there. Got the seats laid down. There's whatever I got left of the fabric. I used some of that Flex Shot to waterproof the rest of this, because these are known for leaking. As you can see up here, this little lip, that's from the dry rot, because when they put this on, it's only like 1/32 of an inch thick there, but then it goes to this 1/16 inch, so it dry rots real fast out here. But I got the Flex Shot on there. This, I mean, it is on there sturdy. I got plenty of space. Now with this front piece, I really wish that they would have just welded on a washer to bolt to, rather than have these little plastic doodads, because as you can see, you got to put this stupid spacer in. And I had to cut this spacer to fit, because it was actually a 1/4 inch longer than this, and you couldn't get the bolt on. And I wish they'd just weld on washers to bolt to, so that it'd be easily mounted. Plus, it would actually center it more, because I gotta knock this over about 1/2 inch to get it centered up there. But it works. I like it. I've got right there, that's my switch. That's my switch for my lights, 4-wheel drive. I got extra stuff in here for fixing whatnots. I got a whole bin of tools and stuff back there, extra funnels, extra fluids. The passenger side has those two has the two things in there for side things. That front one has extra belts. This back one has everything for my wheels. tire plugs and whatnot. The other side over there has light bulbs and whatnot. I've got a tire rack inside there for a spare. I'm probably not even going to use that. I might just take that out for extra space and just mount the tire up here in the rack. But it's coming along very well. And now that it's got actual big wide tires on it that actually, you know, come to the side, it's got a right where the exhaust tip is, that's where the original tires ended. That's where the original tires ended. That's how much wider these are from the stock. That doesn't look like it was riding on bicycle tires. I'm thinking of actually cutting off that exhaust right there and having it come straight out the back. But that's just a thought. But definitely like it. Turned out real good.